I'm really excited to show you this badass 66 C10. Let's check it out. So on this truck we have a 6.0 LQ4. It's been bored over, 30 over. We went with the Wilwood brake master cylinder and the Hydro Boost braking system. So on this truck we went with the US mag wheels. It's the first time I've ever done a flat metallic paint job, but I think it turned out amazing. Check this out, this is so cool. Looks like wood, but it's aluminum. On these trucks, the gas filler is here and the gas tank's behind the seat, but to make it more safe, we moved that to underneath the bed, and now it's here. That's where you fill it. This truck has a unique chassis on it. It's from the Roadster Shop, and that's why it sits this low, and that's why it has such a high bed in it, because it has a C-notch for that big 9-inch rear axle. This truck handles amazing. These Stepside beds, they kind of looked like they didn't fit on these trucks, so we redid this step, and I bought a rocker panel, and we built this custom step to where it flows with the cab. The other one had an out bulge here and had ribs here, and this ties the whole bed in with the truck. The body lines that were here were now welded up and then smoothed out before we painted it. So one thing we do here at Eakin's Garage is I try to build these cars like they were staying in my garage forever. And one of the unique features is we used these black bolts on all the mounting hardware. Let's take a look at the interior of this truck. So on all our builds here at Eakin's Garage, we use the vintage air AC system, and it mounts underneath the dash, where factory it would be out in the engine bay. We went with the speaker panels here instead of putting them in the door. I don't like them in the doors. I think they look better in the cab, but the finish and fit on this truck is awesome. So this interior is in a 1966 truck, but I wanted to bring a little bit of the modern, and one of the things we did is we used the Holley Digital EFI Pro Dash. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.